Today was part of our START programme hospice project, which we run throughout the year, and we have different events, and this was our family day. The families arrive, and as soon as they come in, they are greeted by a live musician, and today we had a cellist, Owen Blandford. After their lunch, we started the activity of the day, which this time was to create a wooden spoon puppet. Following that, they went upstairs to the auditorium and watched a performance of Mimosa, which is a play celebrating the Welsh settlers in 1865 who moved from Wales all the way over to Patagonia on the ship Mimosa.
I'm sorry, I can't speak Welsh.
O felly, beth ydych chi'n neud am ar y Mimosa?
Sorry?
Where there'll be no interference from the other settlers, where the Welsh can speak, live and worship in their own language.
Sing to the bar of shore, sail away from Liverpool docks, Liverpool docks, Liverpool docks today.
After the performance, we came back down to the Clwyd room for bawr o brith and tea, and then we carried on with our making of puppets and ended up with a performance.
It's very rare that we get the opportunity as a family, as four of us, to be able to go somewhere and there be something for absolutely everybody within the family.
It is such a nice day. The people that you meet are lovely and we're all in the same boat. So it's nice to meet up again, you know, and that. And yeah, it's lovely.
The kind of event that we were running today enables the families to have a whole day out together, something that is usually quite difficult for them to achieve.
We enjoy it. Lee really enjoys it. He loves coming out to these events and that.
It's an important day from the social aspect as well as the theatre aspect.
You know that Ty Gobaith will have chosen somewhere that is wheelchair friendly, that is sympathetic to our family's needs.
The show that we've seen, amazing. The singers are absolutely fantastic. You know, it's just a really lovely day.
It's a really happy, fun-filled, really enjoyable place, a really enjoyable atmosphere. Until you've actually experienced it, I don't think you can fully understand how good it is, how beneficial it is.